Gaston, we'll come back and get you and take that sorry too while you like it. But remember, Belle, always keep your phone on.
Why?
Just in case you want to give you a bell.
Thank you so much, guys. I couldn't have done it without you. You're the best friends a girl could ever have.
Awesome. Let's get the What are you talking about, Edward? Ain't Kyle to do that. No, Edward, let's not poke it right now. Okay, let's go. Let's go get a sandwich. Yeah, or go see a movie.
Okay, can I just stay up?
There's no time.
Okay,
Get out of here.
we're going.
Get out of here. Right, John, we gotta get back to the village to teach Mom and Jared how to use Twitter. Let's go. Holy Eurovision!
And me.
And his son Gaston!
And me.
And your handsome son Gaston.
And me.
Shut up!
Is this the end of Belle and her two friends, John and Edward? Will morons beat them and force Belle to marry the hideous Gaston? Is this the longest Jedward have ever gone without moving? To find out the answer to all these questions and more, tune in right now.